Welcome! Are you looking to add a touch of luxury to your craft projects? Today, we're introducing the ultimate gilding kit from Chang Gold Leaf. First off, let's talk convenience. Our kits are designed to be letterbox friendly, so you'll never have to worry about a missed delivery again. Inside, you'll find everything you need. Our high-quality gilding brushes and gilder's tips are perfect for precise application. We also include our specially formulated 10ml adhesive, and of course, our stunning premium gold leaf sheets. Whether you're after classic gold or elegant silver, we have a wide range of packs to suit every project and budget. Application is a breeze. Just apply the adhesive, wait for it to get tacky, and gently lay your gold leaf. It's that simple to get a professional finish. Look at that incredible shine. Our products are trusted by hobbyists and professionals alike for their consistent, brilliant results. At Chang Gold Leaf, we pride ourselves on offering premium quality supplies at prices that won't break the bank, with fast and free UK postage. Ready to start your gilding journey? Head over to our eBay shop to see our full range and read our 5-star customer reviews. Click the link in the description to shop now and start creating. Don't forget to subscribe for more gilding tips and inspiration. See you there!